So guys, I think I completed until last topic, that was cash journal. Is that right?
Cash journal.
Cash journal is completed.
Yes.
Yeah. Today I'll
Yes.
start the next topic, that is called as Dunning procedure. I'll start. Okay, I'll tell you what is Dunning procedure actually. See, Dunning procedure, it's a reminder or notice which is sent to customer to pay the outstanding amount soon. That that means यदि कस्टमर हमारे पास क्रेडिट बेस के ऊपर प्रोडक्ट ले लिया है एंड उसने अमाउंट पे नहीं किया है 15 डेज तक 20 डेज तक का, या जस्ट लाइक 1 मंथ तक भी नहीं किया है अमाउंट ड्यू पे, तो क्या करते हैं उसको एक नोटिस भेजते हैं फ्रॉम द कंपनी साइड, वार्निंग लेटर जस्ट लाइक। तो दैट पर्टिकुलर लेटर और दैट नोटिस जो बोलते हैं उसको बोलते हैं डनिंग नोटिस करके। सो वो इसके लिए क्या करना है आपको, ये जनरेट करने के लिए क्या करना है, इसके लिए इतना स्टेप करना है आपको। डनिंग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, linking the customer to FD02, make and demo invoice FD70 15 days back earlier, ये रहे, ये ऑप्शनल है, रहेगा तो डायरेक्ट ये कर देना है। डनिंग प्रिंट आउट F150। आई स्टार्ट विथ द डनिंग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नाउ। फॉर दैट व्हाट आई विल डू, आई लॉग इन एंड आई स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट। सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू डू इज, फर्स्ट करेंगे डनिंग इम्प्लीमेंटेशन। इसको क्या करना है आपको, should go for SPRO, ऐसे purpose ING, then go for financial accounting, then go for accounts payable, business transaction, then जाइए यहाँ पे डनिंग पे, then डनिंग प्रोसीजर, then जाइए यहाँ पे डिफाइन डनिंग प्रोसीजर। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपको जाना डिफाइन डनिंग प्रोसीजर पे, क्लिक ऑन डिफाइन डनिंग प्रोसीजर, क्लिक ऑन न्यू प्रोसीजर, डनिंग प्रोसीजर फॉर विच company code you are maintaining, that company code you should give here. So what is my company code I am preparing for running procedure? Okay, I am preparing it for IBM 6 or 7. IBM 7, right? Or 6 it is?
Yes, sir. 7.
7. Okay, IBM 7. So here running procedure for company code IBM 7. Okay, which I am preparing for. Then Dunning interval day. How many days of the interval gap you want to maintain? So the Dunning notice be sent after that much days. I'll take 15 days. Every 15 days the Dunning letter will be sent. Okay. The number of Dunning level. Level means I'll take 4 level here. 4 level means first letter will be sent with administrator level, director level. Okay. Like different consultant level. Those are level. I'm taking 4 here. It can be up to 9 level. I'll take 4 level. Okay, then I'll put here directly come to grace period, extra 03 grace period I'll take. That means after 15 days the customer has a, like vendor has a, and customer has extra 3 grace period. Interest indicator I will take it as a 0 1 year standard. Like for the product we calculate the interest. Standard item interest calculation. Then standards and Dunning special J transaction. This three should take this. Refers for Dunning is the same as a company code which you are preparing for. I take the IBM 7. Okay. So after giving this much of the details, you gotta click on Dunning levels here. Then okay, when you click on Dunning level, and it will ask you reference for Dunning procedure is 0 has been maintained. Enter, we are maintaining that. See here. Automatically software has detected 1, 2, 3 and 4 level. Arrears in days automatic claim 3 days, for 15 plus 3 again 18 days. Like that 18 plus 3 like this 33 days. Like that has come automatically. Then calculate interest for all the months, all the days, all the level. Always done, keep dunning it. Print all the items for the dunning. Payment deadline date we don't give as it will be given by administrator. Always done on, always done in the legal procedure. Okay, we follow the legal procedure here. So click on always done on legal procedure. Then after giving this, click on dunning text, give the company code. That is IBM 7. For the customer, enter. It will ask you maintain dunning data for IBM first. Then click on new company code and give company code and enter. Then tick this both dunning by dunning area, separate for dunning notice, tick this both. Then we are, because we are maintaining all separate level notice. Then save, enter and enter. Then we are into the again same page we are come. Then charges, we need to maintain charges for customer extra currency INR. So with the INR currency, I'll put here in charge. First level I'll charge him 200 rupees. Second level I'll charge him 300 or otherwise 400. Third level I'll charge him 600. Fourth level I'll charge him 1000. Okay. If you want, you can apply discount also for the charges. Getting? So 10%, like 10 charges you can put here. Pending charge. 5% of the invoice amount. 10% of the invoice amount. Getting? That charges you can put here. Otherwise directly you can put the amount also. Then you can click on Dunning text after that. Company code and enter. Now see here. Here we need to maintain the Dunning forms. What are these forms we use? These forms we use for the purpose of and to print the Dunning letter. So I click it here. First level, I click on this Dunning form. I'll use this Dunning form here. Automatic F1 files automatic desktop. Second level, second Dunning form, double front Dunning form, same. You should change the number as a 2. Third one, Dunning form. Change the number as a 3. Fourth level, Dunning form, this one we use. And number as a 4. Fourth level, use a last level. That is why it should be accurate and same to same. Then only the Dunning letter is generated exact. Otherwise, whole thing will go wrong. Then after this, take back and save. Save and it will show you no minimum was entered. Enter. Enter. Then it will show you Dunning procedure IBM was saved. So we are done with our Dunning implementation. Now what I should do? Linking the customer in FD02. Okay, linking the customer to Dunning procedure. Procedure to Dunning in FD02. So what I'll do here? I'll go for FD02. Company code. Select the customer. To which customer are linking Dunning procedure, that customer should select here. So I'll take first one. Enter. Then go to company code data here and go to correspondence, link Dunning procedure. That which you have created, Dunning. Save. Once the Dunning is linked here, we need to make one arrear invoice of 15 days back because Dunning we had done just now implementation. So what I'll do, I'll make one arrear invoice of FD70. Before that, I'll check tax compliance is correct or not. So it's wrong, we'll take tax SG. What I'll do, I'll go for FD70 and I will pass one invoice for the company code IBM 7. That I'll pass arrear days. Some 15 days back or something like that I'll generate. I'll take first one customer. I'll put your date of 0409 I'll put. I'll take it 1 month back. It will show me net due date of past because I want past date. The reason because I want to check how the Dunning will generate. I think there is no need to pass Dunning letter like invoice. There is no need to pass the invoice. The reason I am passing is I want to check that how the Dunning will generate. If you already have arrear invoice, you can generate for that, but Dunning should be maintained for that. 3i is output tax, text as a plus. Now stimulate this. I'll post this. Now document 1708 is posted. Now what I will do, my 3 sessions are completed. Now what I will do, I will go to Dunning printout and I generate the printout in F150. This is a T code. For that you should go for accounting, finance accounting, accounts receivable. Then you can go for periodic processing. Go for F150 Dunning here. F150 Dunning. Then give here the and give unknown date first, today's date 04 10 2021. Identification any name you can give here, any kind of source of name you can give here. Let us say any name and click on parameter and put here the Dunning date, that is current date, today date you can put. When are running that, when are running document posted up to today's date you can put. Okay. Company code IBM 7. Which customer you are generating the print, that customer should select here. Okay, that customer should select here. Which customer are posting the, I'll take that first one. So first one. Suppose in case you have a multiple customers you generate the printing, then what you can do, you can put here 01 to 99999 ms. How many customers are there in company code? All the letter will generate in one shot. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll only do the one specific customer. I'll take the first one. Then click on additional log and select the same customer which you are generating. Done. Then click on status, say yes. Parameters were maintained. Then click on schedule. Output device with the standard user LP01. Okay, I use LP01 as a standard output device name. Enter. Then start immediately. Done. This you should tick this board. Start immediately. Done. Print to scheduling. Click on schedule. It will show you. Select and print schedule for 510 has been generated. 0 is generated a print. We should generate now. For that, click on integer done notice. Give LP01. Say enter. Then give your company code for which you are checking for IBM 7. I take an example. Then click on print preview. Sample printout will check first. Click on sample printout. See, company code IBM 7 is being processed. That means it has been generated. Okay, then click on continue and cancel this. Now what we'll do, we'll go to Dunning history, click on Dunning history, account type, what it is asking, to which you are generating Dunning print for, that is D, customer. Company code is IBM 7. Customer, select the same now. We have first one. And you click on execute here. Now you can check here. See, total amount is 1,10,250 is the total due. This balance is this much of amount of this customer. Got it? Which customer is that which you have selected that. Now what I should do, it should show like this for you guys. That means it is correct. We'll check this 110250 is correct or no. You can go to customer display and check. FBL 5N. All item execute. Yes, here. How much is the balance of this customer? 11250. What I'll do, I'll generate the Dunning print for this. Select the entry. For that, you should select the entry. Click on display Dunning notice. Then see, these are the amount. They're all available here. And then click on print preview and select your print preview LP01 standard printer. Then continue. Letter came. See, due amount is how much is due amount is? That is 11,250 plus 200 Dunning charge, extra charge for the printing. That is 450. This is how we generate the Dunning letter for the customer. Now you should send this letter. You cannot send it directly from the software. You should either convert it into the Word format or Excel format or any other format, PDF format. For that, what you can do, you can go to click on PDF view, standard view, otherwise you can click on list display here. Okay, I want to generate in MS Word format, MS Word. So I'll go to here, go to list display, click on list display, then go to system, list, save local file. Call local file and save in local file. Here select rich text format. Rich text format means it is MS Word format, rich text format. Okay, so I select a rich text format and continue. And select save it on desktop. I'll put your name, Raj, that identification name, and click on save. You want to allow this. 3.784 bytes transport. Now go and check in desktop. Where is Raj here? It is here. See. Got it, everyone? Clear with this? Dunning letter is generated. This letter we sent to the customer. Got it? Total balance is this much. total due items, this much is the amount he has to pay. This letter we sent to customer. Yes, clear everyone. Anyone has any confusion? Pooja, Saurabh, got it both of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, got it. Saurabh, Pooja, how about you? Hello, Pooja, I'm audible to you? Hello? Pooja, I'm audible to you? I think she has a mic problem. Saurabh, you got to know, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is how we generate the Dunning letter, actually. Alright? So
Sir,
this we
can
send to
I
the
ask
customer.
you
So
something?
this is the how you need to practice, and in your assignment will be you should generate Dunning letter and you should send me an email this. You should email it to my email ID. Okay?
Okay.
This is the assignment, and this you should prepare and send it to me. Alright?
Okay. Can
Clear,
I?
Saurabh? You got it everything perfectly. Pooja, I'm audible to
Yes.
you. You are not speaking, Pooja. Actually, you Dunning. This is a Dunning procedure which we have. Your mic is not working, Pooja. You are not able. You are not. I cannot hear you. Okay, fine. Maybe you got to know. You are. I'm audible to you. Maybe. Saurabh, you got to know this clearly.
Yes, yes, sir.
She has raised her hand. Yes, tell me. Any confusion? Stop raising hand, guys. Tell me. We have any confusion? Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Saurabh,
Hello.
any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is coming very low, yaar. Yeah, tell me what confusion you have, guys. Understood everything? Saurabh, any confusion?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me what confusion you have. Tell me.
सर मुझे ये पूछना था कि जो डिस्काउंट देते हैं हम कस्टमर को तो वो हमारे ही प्रोसेस में आता है या फिर दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट के उसमें आता है?
नहीं, आप डिस्काउंट जो अप्लाई करना चाहते हो वहाँ पे इस डनिंग पे आप दे रहे हैं ना?
जी। हेलो।
हेलो, या
यस सर।
या नाउ आई कैन हियर यू क्लियरली सी.
यस यस।
या या सो क्या बता रहे थे सौरभ एक्चुअली डिस्काउंट
सर
का?
मैं ये सर मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था जैसे कि अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट है हम उसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट देते हैं कस्टमर को
करेक्ट. ओके. ओके.
तो वो हमारे ही प्रोसेस में आता है या फिर वो अदर उसमें आता है?
नहीं, अगर डिस्काउंट अप्लाई अप्लाई करके डनिंग लेटर सेंड करने नहीं आएगा.
जी।
राइट.